The ringtone sound on the Galaxy S24 might not play if the volume is set to 0. The phone is in silent or vibrate mode, or there could be a technical issue with the sound settings or the speaker itself. If your phone is giving you this issues, here's what you should do. Firstly, press the home button to return to your home screen. Then swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the settings icon. From there, select sounds and vibration. Following this, select ringtone. At the top of the screen, you'll see a slider bar. Drag it to the right to increase the volume. However, if the volume is already set at a higher level and the ringtone still doesn't play when someone's calling, then you should reset all the settings of your phone. To do that, go back to the main settings page and then select General Management. In the next screen, swipe up and tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings to proceed. Your phone will then reboot, so you just have to wait until it becomes active again. After that, the ringtone volume should already work properly, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for tuning in to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.